Do you want to strengthen your knees, cartilage, and ligaments? Have you thought about how to do it in the most effective and easy way? Welcome everyone to our journey into understanding the importance of knee, cartilage, and ligament health. Today, we will explore 10 simple yet effective methods to fortify these crucial parts of our body. From regular exercise to the right diet and even a good night's sleep, we've got it all covered. Well, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. The first effective way to strengthen your knees, cartilage, and ligaments is regular exercise. Engaging in low-impact activities such as swimming, cycling, and walking can provide immense benefits. These activities not only build muscle around your knees, but also improve joint flexibility and reduce overall pain. Don't forget to incorporate warm-ups and cool-downs into your routine to prepare your body for the workout and to help it recover afterward. Remember, consistency is key in exercise. Secondly, maintaining a healthy diet is fundamental. Nutritious food plays a significant role in strengthening your knees, cartilage, and ligaments. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin D and calcium into your diet, such as leafy green vegetables, dairy products, and oily fish. These nutrients are essential for bone health and aid in maintaining joint flexibility. Don't forget about fruits and whole grains either. They can provide a plethora of other nutrients that support overall joint health. Eating well is not just good for your joints, but for your overall health. Thirdly, managing your weight can play a significant role in knee and joint health. When you carry around excess weight, your knees bear the brunt of it, leading to wear and tear over time. Conversely, maintaining a healthy weight reduces strain on these crucial joints, promoting longevity and reducing the risk of issues like arthritis. Better weight management means less pressure on your knees, cartilage, and ligaments, a factor that can't be underestimated. Maintaining a healthy weight is not just beneficial for your knees, but for your overall health and well-being. The fourth way is to stay hydrated. Water plays a critical role in maintaining the suppleness of cartilage, which cushions your joints and keeps them functioning smoothly. When you're well hydrated, your cartilage is soft and able to absorb the shock of movement, reducing the chances of knee injuries. It's generally recommended to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, although this can vary based on individual needs and activity levels. So remember to keep that water bottle handy. The fifth way is to avoid high-impact sports. While they can be a thrilling adrenaline rush, these activities often put a great deal of strain on your knees, cartilage, and ligaments. The repetitive hard landings and sharp pivots can lead to wear and tear, and in some cases, serious damage. But fear not, there's no need to give up on your love for sports completely. Opt for lower-impact activities like swimming, cycling, or yoga. These can provide a great workout without the harsh impact. Consider lower-impact activities to keep your joints healthy. The sixth way is to have regular checkups with your doctor. This isn't just for when you're feeling under the weather. Regular medical checkups are crucial for monitoring the health of your joints, including your knees, cartilage, and ligaments. They can help catch potential issues early on before they become major problems. Think of it as preventive maintenance for your body, much like you do for your car. Remember, when it comes to your joint health, early detection is key in managing joint health. Seventh, maintaining good posture is essential. Poor posture can put unnecessary strain on your joints, leading to wear and tear over time. To keep your posture in check, make sure your back is aligned with the back of your office chair. This provides the necessary support for your lower back and reduces the pressure on your knees. Also, when standing, keep your weight balanced on both feet. This helps to distribute the load evenly across your joints. Remember, good posture is important not just for joint health but for overall body health. Eighth, using supportive devices can help. These are not your grandma's knee braces. We're talking about modern supports specifically designed to relieve pressure and aid in strengthening your knees. They can provide much-needed stability during physical activities and help distribute weight evenly across your joints. Devices like knee braces, compression sleeves, and even orthopedic shoes can make a world of difference in maintaining your joint health. Remember, these aren't just for athletes or the elderly. Supportive devices can be a great aid in maintaining joint health. Ninth, rest and recovery is crucial. Allowing your body adequate time to rest and rejuvenate is key in promoting stronger knees, cartilage, and ligaments. Whether it's after a rigorous workout or bouncing back from an injury, never underestimate the power of downtime. Your body is an amazing machine that can repair itself, but it needs time to do so. Dedicating time for relaxation and sleep can significantly aid in tissue repair and muscle growth. Remember, your body needs time to heal and strengthen. Last but not least, avoiding injuries is key to maintaining joint health. Be mindful of safety in all activities, from high-intensity workouts to simple daily tasks. Remember, an injury today could lead to joint problems down the line. It's not just about the immediate pain or discomfort, but the long-term impact on your joints. A sprained knee or a strained ligament might seem minor, but these injuries can weaken your joints over time. So always prioritize safety. Staying safe and preventing injuries is crucial for long-term joint health. So there you have it, 10 easy ways to strengthen your knees, cartilage, and ligaments. From regular exercise to maintaining a healthy diet, managing your weight, staying hydrated, avoiding high-impact sports, getting regular checkups, maintaining good posture, using supportive devices, resting appropriately, and avoiding injuries. It's about integrating these tips into your daily routine. Remember, joint health is crucial to your overall well-being. So, take good care of your knees, cartilage, and ligaments. Thank you for watching.